We're looking here at some what we call stratification. Have a look. Above the oyster line, there's a cool snail right there. Above the oyster line, you have barnacles. And then below the oyster line, you get a little bit of algae. And then the oysters are attached here to this concrete support for the boat ramps. Let's take a closer look at the snail while we're here. A gastropod mollusk. You can see, there it is. He's moving along. That is definitely an air-breathing snail. He would not enjoy being in the water, but he does patrol the upper littoral zone. This is called the littoral zone, the area that is influenced by the tides. Notice how jagged and dangerous these oyster areas can get. The barnacles, when the tide is high, will put out their appendages and catch plankton for food, and the oysters will filter the water. So there's a lot of life here on the pilings at Bay Pines and basically around the area. Any hard surface is colonized by what we call encrusting organisms.